No, don't worry.
Is this out the way? Which doesn't have any dry signal going through, so you're just pretty wet on that.
It's very shoegazy.
It's really nice. Yeah, I just wasn't used to it, I just went rocked it recently.
It's quite harmonic mode. Ooh, dogs like that.
So
That's all the big time, is it? Yeah.
You got nothing else going on?
No. Sounds amazing, I should run this up yet.
Now you're heating the limiter, so you can hear it like crumble a bit.
Kanye device that they produce. It's not that well known, but it's on Kanye's fashion website or something like that.
Yeah, no, not
And
seen
so
it.
it's a teen engineering device, and it just holds his stems loaded. But they only loaded his album and then never released the firmware for it.
You're getting multi-taps.